What's up mga kablaguhan? So, dito tayo ngayon sa Philippines, no? So, bagong journey ng buhay natin. Punta tayo sa Pampanga, kasama natin yung family natin. First time we'll be able to celebrate Christmas after almost 2 decades na magkakasama kami. So, ayan, yung mga anak ko. Ayan, asawa ko sa likod. Ayan, anak ko lalaki. So, anyways, we'll have a safe trip, a safe journey, and just have fun. See you later.
Wake up, the winter sun is shining bright and gold. Snowflakes on the rooftops like the season's taking hold. The kettle singing, hearts are ringing. It's a magic hour, 'cause Christmas comes alive again with all its gentle power. Step outside, the world is glowing. Every street is overflowing. Joy is sparking, hearts are showing. Every little dream we're holding.
What's up mga kablaguan? So dito na tayo ngayon sa Eves Point Private Villa dito sa Pampanga. We're here at Pampanga right now. So enjoy lang with the family.
Wow naman!
Ayan. Papa ko nunod na news. Nanonood na news. Ayan, swimming pool. Ayan. A very nice place. Oops, may bilyar. Ayan, ay Khalil. Yan, mga kablaguan, we are here in Pampanga with my whole family. What's so funny? See? That's my sister's daughter. This is the original Tres Marias. Wala pa. Wala pa.
Hindi, para makakain ato yung spice.
Normally, you're only allowed to finish the whole 15 minutes.
What's up mga kablaguan? Dito na tayo sa Philippines. Say hi! Hello! Welcome! Tayo ngayon.
Like, share,
Philippines na! Hey! Wala pa kayong mga kamay! Woo! Bigyan ng jacket lang! Welcome to your new home.
Sa ibang bansa. Talaga rin din po specialize ka.
Mainit eh. Hello. Uy.
Ganda ng kumati yun. Ayun, naka-portrait. Hello! Merry Christmas! Bakit ba yung mag-play tayo nung... Playlist?
Photographer. Ayan.
Yan! Isang side lang, isang side.
Coach.
Sila, Pian. Ito. Ayan o. Ayun, Jen. Alam ko na follow. Kaya apat na pa sila sa mga. Allowed one song only. Kasi hindi ka pwede. You're allowed one song only. Ay, mga taga-puwata.
When I say go, you hit the head.
Ay, fair. Papakangan din mo. You're not allowed to touch, ha? Wala lang pa. Pero,
Okay. Coach, you're good, Faith.
Palo, alam. Straight. One more step forward. No.
Hindi.
Yo. Okay. Hit.
No, it's a crime! Oh, dahil sa mga mo. Ano po yan? My God! To the right?
Forward.
To the right? To the right? Wait, again? Oh, like hit!
Whoa! Oh, it's cracked! It's cracked!
I cracked it! Stand up po! Gusto mo pang breakfast natin? That was video.
It's tiny, it's floating.
Well, you can't scratch.
I'm gonna get sick.
If someone else is here. What? If it's already broken, this will be like...
Head, shoulder, knees, cup!
Hinawakan yung knees, oh.
Shoulder, head, cup!
Sabi ko na
Sabi ko wala palang laman.
This is so
You can still win. You can still win.
Kailangan mo daw scratch.
Dali, you need to scratch it with a coin or something. 1, 2, 3, go! Bato! Bato!
Balik tayo sa Bato! Iba-iba.
Best of 3. First 3.
Race to 3.
Babalik kay Ate June.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bato! Bato! Pick! Bato! Pick! The oldest person in this?
Hindi nga ako
Dad? Dad? Then,
Few moments later.
I think somebody's gonna win now.
dito ng konti.
Yeah, umiga na si Lauren. Ah.
Ganda rito.
Yun na.
Para sa inyo. After this team, mag-back.
Mag-game manager mo ako eh.
O, tanggol.
Simple lang. Simple lang. Simple. Ready pa?
Happy
I was gonna make you a card, but I didn't.
So, did you say happy birthday to Grandpa? Did you say happy birthday to
Oh, I
Grandpa?
wanted to make a card. Wait, I have a card. I have a card.
Go kiss Grandpa.
What?
Go hug Grandpa.
I already have a card for this. Mom, can you get me wisdom?
Ano Sanggol? Nakakuha ka ng 1,000. Ulit.
I just gave you coffee.
Thank you.
Dinawin niya.
You are so nice and very funny. Happy birthday, Grandpa. Thank you. Hey, good
to. Is it hot?